What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, and watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, so we only going to be using one account. Now, most people that use My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, right? But for beginners, they only use one account to see if it'll work for them or not, whatever, right? So I want to try to emulate that type of result with what I get. Now, some people may get better. You may get better results than me. You may get worse results than me. All I can do is show you my results doing this exact thing here, guys, and show that it works for me. It's working for me, all right, guys? And if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Because essentially at the end of the day, it's a really lucrative funnel builder, and I hope without any sort of limitations for only $25. Now I have a lot of other stuff that come with it, like emails and all that, but essentially you're buying a funnel builder with no limitations on it. Now I'm gonna tell you something, a funnel builder with no limitations on it for $25 is a really good deal. Funnel builders are used throughout online marketing. Pretty much anybody who is successful at online marketing have funnel builders for every single thing they sell. Affiliate marketers, it don't matter what it is, they have funnel builders for it. And you want to build income, you need funnel builder. So yeah, essentially it's easy to connect domains, it's easy to make subdomains, and just the tedious stuff you think about when making a funnel, it's easy to do with this product here. That's one reason. And like the most lucrative funnel builder out right now, the most popular at least, is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month with a ton of limitations on it. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay $300 per month, which I used to do, and I can't believe I used to do that. But that's not neither here nor there. That's the reason. That's the first reason. And the second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason that you guys are interested and why I was personally interested in promoting it myself, is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. That is insane. You get 80 cents out of every dollar you make them. That's crazy. You only keep 20. That's insanity. And now I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you how lucrative and crazy it is. It's 80% recurring commission. Now, before I found this product, if you were to tell me 40% recurring commissions, I would have thought to myself, hey, pretty good, right? Like, that's a good marketing level. Like 40, I never heard of higher than 40 really when it comes to recurring commissions. So yeah, that's really good. And this is double that. This is 80%. So yeah, you could build an income real quick with this. You put a little bit more effort into it. But I'm putting minimal effort with getting these types of results, guys. I'm not really putting a ton of effort into it as I'm showing you guys. All I'm doing is making these videos for you guys to show you how easy it is for me to do it, and kind of give you an idea of what to do here and how easy it is to make money. Cause I know the most important part is results, showing results of how something is working. That's what I'm doing, guys. I want you guys to know that, because when I look for stuff like this to see if something works, I want to see the person's results, like what they make and stuff. And a ton of times they don't really like to show that. Anyway, guys, let's look here. We're gonna refresh the page here, see if we got a sale. Okay, guys, we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, man. Like I stated before, we've been getting sales almost every day lately, which is very good, very good actually. I'm working beyond my what I usually make, so I'm already in the happy side. My income is jumping and jumping, and I'm loving it. And I'm showing you guys, you get started on this and do this too, especially if you supercharge and like put a lot of more effort into it. But I'm just doing this with minimal effort, guys. That's what I want to try to kind of emulate. One more thing though, make sure somebody resets or refresh the page when they show you results, because it's very easy to change all these numbers around. Just want to say it real quick. All right, so let's go over here to the mailing system real quick. We're gonna get all our leads here. We're gonna go to our next email here, building my money up. No, that's one. Okay, that's the one we're gonna use now. Just pause and copy everything if you're interested in the email itself. So yeah, that's the email there, blah blah blah. Give you a chance to pause it at certain points so you can see the whole email here. And there you go, that's all it is. We'll put the link right here, guys. You get your link from this page here, and you want to go to the all-in-one $25 link here. The reason why I promote this link is because it promotes 2 different recurring incomes, a $20 one and a $100 one. So you can get 120 recurring commission off of each person that buys in your system, right? So I just want to show you guys that. And you just put that in there real quick. Very easy, very simple. Make sure you hit perfect time. What perfect time it does, send an email around the time that people check their email. So there's a very good chance of them checking it and it's not lost in the sauce, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to click on preview. Make sure your link works. I don't have to do that because I'm just copying the email I already done sent. So it's already working. So we're gonna send an email like that and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very easy to do. About 5 minutes every morning. You can really build up your income and have something going for the rest of your life. Something that can really help fluctuate your income if you're not interested in quitting your job. And if you are interested in quitting your job, kind of build up on it until it get to a point where you're making more money with this than your job. And it's great, man. It's a really great system, and I really want to show you guys that can do it, man. So anyway, guys, like I stated before, you interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.